everyone, my name is Victoria, this is my dog toy poodle Letta, and today we are doing review on this beautiful pet grooming vacuum. I will send this product for review. It comes with instruction, different type of nozzles. My dog, she has a very curly hair, it's so hard to brush, and after shower I have to dry it first and brush it. And today I'm gonna try this cool vacuum groomer. Let me assemble it first. It comes with trimmer, with this kind of nozzle. This is the brushing nozzle, vacuum cleaner. Wow, I like this one. It's cool. This is probably for big dog. This is the vacuum as well. I'm gonna use this nozzle today for my dog. It's very easy to clean, as you see. Just and you can take all hairs. Right, let's connect it to the vacuum. Here's all buttons. It's actually a sensor touch screen, and I love this grooming cleaner because it's actually pretty quiet. Right, Letta. Wow, it's actually drying right now and brushing. I know. It's cool. 2 in 1. You can save you time. I know. Cool. It actually has a different speed level. It's brushing your dog, and as well it's drying. So cool. I love it, guys. This is really great product. It's very easy to use, has so many functions. If you have a pet, I will definitely recommend. You can buy on Amazon.